Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom the Radio Room Show, and I got a brand new radio from RETEKESS. It's a model TR627. It's an emergency radio, which right now you can sure use an emergency radio. Oh my gosh, I can't believe the weather that's going on. In the winter, we have tornadoes. Oh my gosh, I really feel sorry for those people that were caught by the tornado, just before Christmas. Oh my gosh. Anyway, let's go on. So this is an AM, FM weather band radio, and it's on sale right now on Amazon. Plus, the people at RETEKESS sent me a code so you can get an additional 15% off. And I'll put that code in the first comment under this video. It's normally $29.97. It has a 1200 milliamp hour built-in battery. That's rechargeable, of course. And it can use, in addition to that, it can use 3 AAA batteries. Now, the built-in battery you can recharge either via the USB port here, the smaller one, or you can use that battery as a power supply to charge your, say, cell phone. And then there's the earbud jack. It does not, it does not come with earbuds. It comes with the charging cable and a carrying strap, which you can attach yourself right there. So it doesn't come attached, which I like. Down here is where the batteries go. 3 AAA batteries. Here is the switch to switch between either these batteries or the built-in battery. So I've got it connected to the built-in battery right now. I've fully charged it. Has a light. Yep. Oh boy, they're bright light. There's the tuning dial. Has an SOS button. So if you're like buried under rubble and you hear people trying to dig you out, you can push that button and it'll set off a siren, which I will not do right now. This is the selection for turning the light on and off, or to provide DC out to charge your cell phone, for instance. This is the band select, AM, FM, weather band, tuning knob, on-off volume knob, telescopic antenna, crank, so that you can do a crank charge in case you don't have any power and you don't have any AAA batteries. You can recharge that internal battery. You cannot recharge your AAA batteries that you add. You can only recharge the internal battery or use the output to charge your cell phone using the crank. Pretty nice. Analog dial. Show you the analog tuning here. There it goes, nice and smooth. So let's turn it on and see what we can get here. Let's see. We're on the weather band. I can normally get one weather station very strong. So let's put up the telescopic antenna. About a foot long. Turn it on. And then we'll see if we can get that one station.
Afternoon.
There it is.
Seas 2 feet. Bay and inland waters a light chop. Tonight, southeast winds.
See if we can get another one. Sometimes I can get another one.
2 feet or less. Bay.
It's right there. It's trying. Now, I'm in my office, so reception is pretty poor off of a telescopic antenna. I have to use external antennas to get good reception in my office. Let's try the AM band real quick here. Turn it back on. We're at the top of the band. Or we're going to get some interference. There we go. Pretty clear. Nice and loud. Oh yeah. Getting a lot of stations. Yeah. It's picking up a lot of stations. And it's not getting too much interference from all my electronics in this room, computers and routers and all that stuff. It's doing okay. There's an indicator here to tell you that it's locked onto a station. Also, this indicator tells you when you're charging that it's charging the internal battery using either the crank or the USB cable that comes with it. Here's the manual. Let's switch over to, let's go to the end of the band and switch over to FM. What to watch out for music. Oh yeah, clear as a bell. Okay. Oh, man. Picking up a ton of stations.
Qualified buyers, 4262 on 2021 Titan consists of 1,000 cash back, 22.
Boy, she talks fast.
1,000 multi-package savings on SP term only. Must take from new dealer stock. Package savings based on MSRP of individual options.
Morgan Stanley.
Yeah. This thing receives really well.
Bad dream.
Tuning is nice and smooth.
Your show in the morning.
Thank you for entertaining.
Oh my gosh.
Child dysfunction and sick of the pills? Well, we have a
Explain this individual.
Still picking up stations.
piece from it.
I skipped a lot of them because I'm moving pretty fast.
1,000 cash back, 2262 Titan Pro package savings, and 1,000 multi.
There's that same one.
Must take from new dealer stock. Package savings based on MSRP. Also important safety information. Ends 1/3/22.
There she is again. Okay, I think that's about it. Let me put the antenna down before I break it. Nice, compact, fits in your hand fine. Yeah, you can't beat this, especially with that extra 15% discount that I'm going to post. Not a bad deal. Great little Christmas gift. Again, right now, with what's happening in the weather, you need an emergency radio. This gives you the weather band, gives you the AM, FM, so you can get local news, and the fact that you can charge it with the crank as a built-in battery, or you can use 3 AAA batteries. It's about 5 inches wide by about 2.5 inches high and about 2 inches deep. Weighs about a half a pound. And just a reminder, you can't charge AAA batteries in this, even if they're rechargeable. That's it. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.